Good morning, all. Welcome to another day of living out here. Well, we got some big things in store. We're going to be removing some old concrete from where the old shed was that we got rid of, and might do a couple other things. You're going to have to stay tuned and see. So we got a special delivery today. Before we get too far along, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you like this, there'll be plenty more content like this coming up. So make sure you subscribe. Well, we got that part done. Now, we're going to move on to trying to fix some drainage issues and play in the mud and play in the back and try to get our pond to actually drain from the overflow from our neighbor's pond. So, we'll see if we can get it to flow. weren't able to do much work, as you see. Yeah, it's pretty muddy back there. And the mud isn't cooperating with us at all. So that'll be a project for another day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed.